In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your blog page. Creating a blog page is essentially just a matter of creating a page, giving it the default page template, and then just telling WordPress and telling Karma which page is your blog page. So we're going to click on Pages, and we already have one created. It's called Blog, so we're just going to edit this page. So when you're creating a new page, you just simply give it a title. And then the only other setting is to choose the proper page template. So for the blog, you want to choose default template, and this is the only page throughout the site that should use default template. It can only be used once. So we just go ahead and click update, and now you just have to tell WordPress which is your blog page. So to do so, you click on settings and reading, and in an earlier video we already chose static page right here, and we chose our home page for the front page, and for the post page we just choose our blog page. Also right here you can specify how many items you want to show on each blog page, so we'll just keep it at 10 and save changes. Okay, now if I come back over here and we'll visit the blog page, you'll see that it automatically starts pulling in the posts. Now there's a few custom settings in the custom options panel, so we're going to click on appearance and site options, and then blog settings. So the first thing is you just have to tell Karma which is your blog page, so you just select it from the drop down list. The next is the banner text. This is the text that shows up right in here in the banner, so you can insert any kind of custom text that you want. The next is the button text. So underneath each blog post is a button for them to read the full post. So whatever you want that button to say, you just insert it right here. By default, these two boxes are unchecked. I'll just save and just refresh so you can see. So by default, the blog automatically shows the date and the amount of comments, and then it also shows who it was posted by. So if you want to turn these off, you can easily do so. Right here, the posted by text, you just simply check the box, and that'll hide the posted by text. And then the post date and comments, if you want to hide that, you just check the box, and that'll hide that as well. So I'll just save changes and refresh, and you'll see that it got rid of both of those. Next on the list is about the author. So by default, Karma will automatically give a about the author little box at the bottom of each post. So if you want to turn that off, you just simply uncheck the box and it'll turn it off. Also by default, the related posts, so I'll just show you what that looks like real quick. If I refresh, see at the bottom of each post, by default it shows a list of related posts. So if you wanted to turn that off, you just simply uncheck the box and it'll get turned off. For the related post title, this is what gets shown up right here. Right now it's called related posts, so if you want that to say something else, you just simply type it right here. The related post count, depending on how many items you want to display, you just put that number, right back here in the this area right here. By default it'll show 5 items. And then the exclude categories. This will list all the different categories on your site, and all you do is simply check off any of the categories that you want to hide. Usually if you have a jQuery homepage or a gallery page, you probably don't want to show those posts on your blog, so you just simply select those categories and they'll get hidden from the blog. So I'm just going to save changes and refresh. And you'll see this right here, this about the author. This bio gets pulled in from the WordPress user profile. So to set that, we just simply click on users and profile. And if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see down here it has biographical info. So anything that you type in here will get shown up in here. So you could just put a small bio about yourself, a couple sentences, and when you're done you just update the profile. And in terms of this avatar right here, Karma automatically uses the avatar from gravatar.com, and it's a really great site that allows you to set up an account and anytime that you post on another blog throughout the web with your email address, it'll automatically pull in your avatar. So it's a really popular service, and we highly recommend setting up an account. It's completely free. It only takes a few minutes. And you just want to make sure that you use the same email address as your WordPress account, so that way that it pulls in the proper avatar. Okay, and the only other thing is the sidebar. So the blog by default has a sidebar over on the right side. So to add items to that, you just simply click on Appearance and Widgets. And over on the right, you'll see Blog Sidebar. And then you just go ahead and drag any widgets that you want to display in the sidebar. So it works just like any other sidebar. You just simply keep dragging in your widgets. Make sure to save each one, and if you refresh, you'll see that it adds them over there. So that's about it. It's very straightforward, and we hope this video was helpful, and please stay tuned.